tha manga changjala aba mapung pharaka jorba sidasu concrete road map ama piba ngamde adagi santi kramaina hanjalakani haibase masi a short of ngamde leiriba marak sida community khudimaki magi apam basi sum tawragadi Manipur si masiet thokna politics tawwa masiet thokna development tawwa Manipur gi chief minister ma leina karigi damakta tongan ba leader singna atopa neighboring state sing gi chief minister puraga national leader sing unari bano
Manipur gi housing wadi bafiba masida deputy chief minister Losi Dikho NPF ke MLA oidiba NPF state president Awangbaw Nyumai yawba kangbu amana Nagaland gi chief minister nephew Rio amadi deputy CM ga luinana Home Minister Amit Sahaga karigi damak unakhibano haiba Congress legislature party leader Kaisham Meghachandra na wahang hanglakli Imphal gi Bawprada leiba Meghachandra gi official quarter da pangthokpa paugi mifam amada Meghachandra na wahang asi hanglakhibane Mahana makha taraduna Manipur gi chief minister leina karigidama Nagaland gi chief minister ga punduna Home Minister Amit Sahaga unaruba asina idea of Manipur amadi Manipur gi wariba political system da achauba wahang amalakli Manipur gi chief minister asi deputy chief minister Losi Dikho na luchingba kangbu aduna thazaba leitrabra asigumba high level meeting amada state asigi chief minister Yauhan Dribage maram karigino hairakli Loinana Home Minister Sahaga unaba adu state asigi chief minister na karigidama ayaba piribano haibasi CM na chapchaba maram khanghangadabani haina demand tawrakli
tha manga changjala aba mapung pharaka jorba sidasu concrete road map ama piba ngamde adagi santi kramaina hanjalakani haibase masi a short of ngamde leiriba marak sida community khudimaki magi apam basi sum tawragadi Manipur si masiet thokna politics tawwa masiet thokna development tawwa Manipur gi chief minister ma leina karigi damakta tongan ba leader singna atopa neighboring state sing gi chief minister puraga national leader sing unari bano Manipur gi chief minister si am hongabra Manipur gi chief minister si confidence leitrabra Manipur gi chief minister si karimta tawangam drabra Manipur gi chief minister na karimta masi intervene tawangam drabra these are all the important questions of the